In today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to fix the hostinger error when extracting an archive. If you have been struggling with a zip file that just won't open, or a persistent error message inside the hostinger file manager, this video is for you. We will go through the troubleshooting process step by step to get your website files working again, which is essential for any developer or site owner. If this video helps you resolve your hosting issues, please take a quick second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more technical guides. Let's dive straight into the dashboard to get this sorted. First things first, head over to the Hostinger website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Websites tab and select the Manage button to open your specific website dashboard. From here, look for the File Manager icon and click it to access your directory. You want to navigate directly into the public_HTML folder, which is where your main website files are stored. Now, the most common reason for an extraction error is that the zip file did not upload completely, or it got corrupted during the transfer process. Take a close look at your file list and verify the file size. If the zip file looks incomplete compared to your local copy, you need to address that immediately. If the extraction already failed once, go ahead and delete that corrupted zip file from the server. Once the old file is removed, perform a fresh upload of your zip archive. Sometimes network interruptions cause silent failures, so if you are on a weak connection, consider using a faster upload method. After it finishes uploading, right-click on the newly uploaded zip file and select the Extract option. Most of the time, this is all it takes to get everything running smoothly again. If you are still seeing an error, there's one more critical thing to check: your disk space. Sometimes the extraction process requires double the space of the actual zip file to create the temporary folders needed for decompression. Check your hosting plan settings in the dashboard to ensure you have enough available quota. If you are near your limit, you'll definitely run into errors when trying to unpack large archives. By ensuring your upload is clean and you have sufficient server resources, you will be able to bypass almost any archive extraction error. If this guide managed to save you some time and frustration, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.